of your sequence number 4. It's gonna be a flip, one rotation to the neck with the same hand into a shadow pass. So let's talk about the first part of the move. The first part of the move is basically doing this. Kind of like a flip to pour, but I'm not gonna pour it. And I'm coming across my body with it at the same time. So if you notice, I'm throwing it in front of the body, parallel to myself, and catching it by the neck and keeping that motion as we go into the shadow pass, okay? Like that. And now let's talk about the shadow pass. Before you go slinging something behind your back, hoping to catch it, I'm gonna give you some keys on how you do a shadow pass. The first way I'm gonna have you start this shadow pass is by doing it flat. Instead of doing a one rotation, we're gonna do it flat. And actually it helps some people to just pass it when they start understanding it. And the one thing that I have to stress is when people first start this move, they look down and they just try to throw it and hope that they catch it. So that's not a shadow pass. That's a blind throw and a blind catch. A real shadow pass is it's not a blind throw. You're looking at the throw, breaking your neck as far as you can to see the bottle as long as possible, and then it's a blind catch. Okay, if you were looking at your shadow in front of you, you would see everything, and that's why it's called a shadow pass. But I want you to make sure your neck is turned this way as you look at the bottle and pass it. When you feel comfortable passing it, give it a couple inches, and then about a foot to 2 feet until you're getting a nice extension. But notice I never look to the left. Everything is looking at the right, watching the bottle for as long as I can, and I have my hand there waiting for the bottle. Give yourself a target. Work on this throw. I'm not throwing it straight. I'm not throwing it out here so I have to lunge at it. I'm almost throwing it right at my head. So it's kind of hard in the beginning to get used to the fact that you're throwing an object at yourself, but my angle is not straight. It's more coming inward. It's coming right behind my head. So once you've gotten that down, and don't worry if it takes some time, this is not an easy move. You're gonna wanna take the move that we've learned in a previous sequence, which is behind the back, just that 1 foot behind the back, and combine that with what you just learned for the shadow pass. Right behind your head to a half spin, right into your hand. It's a great move and flair, work on it hard, and that's gonna be your move number